Hey everyone, so this is part 2 of our science experiment of cleaning coins. So you by now should have watched video number 1 and have done the first few parts of your experiment, which is your purpose, your hypothesis, your materials, and your procedure. That should be all laid out and ready to go. So by now you should have an educated guess, your hypothesis, on which of these 7 solutions or liquids would work best to clean an old penny. You should have also made an educated guess, so your another hypothesis on which of these 7 would clean the penny the worst. So they've been sitting for just over 24 hours because I was busy this morning. So I'm going to take them each out of their container. So I'll start with the lemon juice. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to give it a quick wipe, and then I'll put it where it's labeled so you can see. So I'll just wipe it with paper towel, and it's going to go right there. Then I'm going to take the vinegar, wipe it with paper towel, and it's going to go right there. What I'm realizing now is that what I should have done was taken a closer up photo maybe of them beforehand. I think I have one on my iPad, so the pic photo, so I will put that in the lesson actually for day number 1, now that I think about it. There's number 2. That was apple juice. Now comes the ketchup, which I do not want to put my fingers in, but I will just for you guys. And then I'm going to get a different paper towel because this one's disgusting. I do not like ketchup. It's my daughter's favorite. It's surprising what ketchup actually did. You might want to look at what ketchup is made out of to realize why it worked pretty well. Good. We're going to go to this one. This one is the baking soda and water. So after this, I will also post a close-up picture of all of the coins. So this one's still pretty dark. Dish soap. So this is just dish soap and water. There it is. And last but not least is going to be just water on its own. So you can see kind of like it's your controlled substance. So you can see what all of them look like this at the beginning. So now you need to think as a result, which one do you think is better? And so as this video is going, I can zoom in. And so you can see them closer. So you can see the lemon juice, vinegar, apple juice, ketchup, baking soda, dish soap and water, and water. So there you have it. Your job now is going to be to order these in order from the cleanest to the not as clean. So from cleanest to dirtiest. And then to come up with an educated conclusion as to which of these liquids do you think worked the best and why. Another challenge you could also do is if you have pennies at home that are older, try a different liquid solution, something that we didn't use. So some of the ones I researched I found was, I think there was one that was called like vinegar and salt. You mix it together and you use it and try that and just seeing. So you're going to start to read probably about pH when you do some research. You need to maybe find out what pH means and a high pH versus a low pH, what works better for cleaning. Might give you some hints right there. Other than that, this is just a little fun activity for us to do. Next week we're going to move into space. Thanks everyone.